Hi, it's Dr. Centeno, and this is my Which Structures in Your Neck Can Cause a Headache series. And today we're going to go over the C2-C3 facet joint. Now, the facet joints in your neck are these little joints that are about the size of your finger joints. There are two at each level, and they're numbered. And the C2-C3 joint is the lowest part of your upper neck. And that joint in particular can cause the headache pattern that you see on the screen right now. And the good news is that this is well known. The problem is that many patients with injury to the C2-C3 facet joint, and that can come from a car crash or other trauma, or it can come from arthritis in the joint, never really get diagnosed because they go down the neurology headache path, and there isn't a lot of expertise down that path to diagnose this as the cause. So if your headache looks like what you see below, there are a couple things that can be done if you have headache coming from that joint. Now, you can do blocks of the joint, inject corticosteroids into the joint, or radiofrequency ablation, but all of that isn't good for the joint. In fact, all of that can cause more joint problems later on. A better way to proceed would be injecting platelet-rich plasma into the joint to try to help the joint heal, so that's how the patient gets better. Obviously, destroying the joint, not so good. Healing the joint, much better. So hopefully that answers this question. This is one of the many structures that can cause headaches that live in your neck. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.
Hey, get this out to more patients by like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks so much.